Every trader thinks they understand market structure till the market humiliates them. Today, I'll expose the real SMC market structure that institutions use on beginner and intermediate traders, how they fake their direction, and how you can stop being the liquidity and protect your stop losses. I'm victorsnow from Trading from the Soul, where smart money is simplified. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on future videos. The structure trick that broke the algorithm. This is how the banks go after your stop losses in the market. If I ask you what to do in a scenario like this, 80 to 90% of you that have been watching this our ICT from beginner to advanced playlist will want to pick a fair value gap and buy. And can you see when market returned, it moved to your take profit level. By the way, if you don't know how we got this, watch one stupid SMC market structure before this video. And you see, I'm overconfident. Your head be like person who swallow 2-story building. And you see, let you quickly make what? Another buy right here. When market return back, can you see it is moving your direction and you get stopped, a loss. And you see, oh, it is a market structure shift, which is something that happens when we move from an uptrend towards a downtrend. Let me mark out this bearish fair value gap since the market is heading down and you fell yet again. And you start asking yourself, did you do anything wrong? Is what victorsnow thought not working? But me that waited patiently to buy from here, stop loss below here, TP here, and can you see what would have what taking this profit? Why did I take this trade? Tell me at the comment section. Because whenever the bank want to buy, they make a fake sell first. It's not their fault. They deal with large money and they can't be filled in without this fake sell first. This is our previous low, break of market structure, previous high. This is a previous low, break of market structure, previous high. Here, will it be called a previous low? No, but what? A valid structure low. If you want to stop donating to the market and protect your stop losses, you have to understand these four things. A VSL is valid structure low. Valid structure low is a low that made a red, then a market structure shift. We are in an option, right? Whenever it comes to take out these sellers and makes a market structure shift, here will be called a valid structure low. The highest points will be called a valid structure high. One of the characteristics of a valid structure high is that it is a structural draw on liquidity. Don't worry, I'll explain that in a moment. Someone watching will say, but victorsnow, how do we trade this? I have different approaches to this, which I've been teaching you guys. But this particular one is from That's the Brand on Twitter. You can check him out. I'm going to mark a box from this point of trade to this point. The instructions started coming in. This valid structure low. That will be what our POI. I'm going to make an entry here. Stop loss below here. And CP can be what? This valid structure high. Whenever market returns back to this our trading zone, it must get to what? This valid structure high. Because this valid structure high is our structural draw on liquidity. Draw on liquidity is where price is likely heading to next in the market. It's like when you're in the United States, you're moving to what? Lagos. Lagos is your draw on liquidity. So what you ask, but victorsnow, why do we have to wait for this raid? First, moreover, a low that have not been raided is called a previous low, and its high is a previous high. Same with this. If you want to buy from here, where would you put your stop loss? What's below this previous low? Can you see the institution see where you are at currently? So this is how it works. You get your physical cash, you go to the bank and deposit it. From your bank, you move it to your broker. Then from your broker, you can access your money whenever you want to do buy limit order, buy stop all order, and buy market order. So it means your liquidity, your money in the market is here. And the institutions, they see this level. Now, let me blow your mind. Traders that bought from here all readjusted their stop losses to break even here. In fact, thousands of traders that bought from the back all have been readjusting their stop losses in this sequence. Or can you see that all stop losses in the market is at this previous low? Can you see that one wipe will take out the whole sellers in the markets, which will improve our win rates when we want to buy? This means that whenever we want to buy, there are no sell orders remaining in the markets, only buy orders. Can you see that we transfer their liquidity from here to us now. Our trades won't work without this trade. Our trades won't work without their liquidity. Liquidity is like the fuel you pour inside your car. Your car cannot move without fuel in it. So as our trades right here cannot work without this liquidity being taken out. So before we move to Bitcoin dollar to backtest this, let's look at the bearish scenario of this. Mistake I see traders make is mark this structure right here as their raid, and then what, a market structure shift, value structure high, value structure low. And can you see now, if they try to sell from here, market would have what, stopped them out. Why? Because of this whole something here is our internal structure. Internal structures are smaller structures found within our larger market structure. If you don't know this, watch this one stupid SMC market structure video right here. Wait for our break of market structure, previous high, previous low, a tiny break here, previous high, previous low. Same with this. We came. Some people will think that we are in an uptrend, higher low, higher high, but we came and made a raid, and what can you see what came and made our real market structure shift. Here will be our value structure high, and here what, value structure low traders. So I'll mark out this point of our raid to what, the place institution started coming in, our value structure high, and I'll trade from here to the downside. Let's move to the charts. So this is Bitcoin dollar, the 30 minutes time frame. This trade is from 17 September this 2025. What can you see? A break of market structure, previous low, previous high. Can you see after this previous high was created, we pushed down before coming to make a break of market structure. That's previous low, previous high. We have another sit here, break, previous low, previous high. We anticipate market to come and raid this previous low. Let's see. Let's see. And we got it. What we did here, we are taking out any mention of sellers in the market. So anticipate market to come and what, make a market structure shift. Right here, we are not yet in an option. All these are smaller structures called internal structures. Let's see. Can you see what we made our break here, market structure shift? I forgot to mention that our market structure shift must be a candle close. Then our raid can be a wick. I'm going to be marking out the value structure low and value structure high. Then I'll cover from here, the point of raid to this value structure low within my trading zone. I'm going to make a buy here, stop loss below here, and TP gonna be this value structure high. Why? Tell me at the comment section. Let's see. We are in the setup traders. We here still be our take profit level? Answer: no. Since market went up a bit higher before coming to trigger us, using what I've been teaching you in my ICT advanced structure, we'll move our value structure high from here to what, here. I'll be linking ICT from beginner to advanced playlist right here. Check it out. My TP gonna be this level from here to here. Let's see how this trade unfolds, traders. Let's see. And can you see what? A full take profit smash, traders. Now we made what, a new break of market structure, candle close, that I told you guys about. We here be called a previous low and previous high. Comment down below. If you look at it here, that's where traders make mistake. What we have, what, a break of market structure, what, previous low, previous high. You have to tune your eyes to actually see these things. And when we finally got rated here, which triggered us in our trade, we made what, this break right here, our CP. Here will be called a value structure low and value structure high, traders. If you really want to improve in smart money trading, subscribe right now. We post video every week. So heading on, look at this example right here. Can you see what? We have our raid right here, and what came and made a market structure shift. Here will be called the value structure low, value structure high. And we got our trading zone. Can you see entry right here, stop loss, TP? And can you see how market came and stopped us out right here? Why? Can anybody tell me at the comment section? If you zoom out, can you see that this is our internal structure? All this was internal structure. This is that our value structure low and value structure high. If you don't know how we got this, I'm going to be linking our ICT from beginner to advanced playlist right here. If this video is helping you get better as a trader, give me a thumbs up right now. And if you don't know how we got this, I'm going to be linking our ICT from beginner to advanced playlist right here. Let's take another example, traders. What can you see right here? But a previous low broke this range, which we call a break of market structure, a previous high. If you are to buy, I'll wait for this previous low to be raided first, and break this range, a market structure shift, value structure low, value structure high. I'll get my box. I'm going to be making a trade from here to this value structure high as TP. Let's see how this unfolds. All this trade I'm showing you is Bitcoin dollar this year. I don't know whether some of you caught these trades. Okay, let's see. Okay, market triggered us in. Let's see. And what a full take profit level, traders. This trade is from 17 September this 2025. This particular trade was 1st September this 2025, but it was missed. I didn't catch this setup. What can you see? A raid and come to make a market structure shift right here, and we got our trading zone right here. Can you see we almost came to this hour level before pushing up? This is over 1:13 risk to reward ratio. Give me a thumbs up right now if this video is helping you get better as a trader. So someone watching will say, victorsnow, what if we have something like this? Market comes to do something like this, make a raid and a market structure shift. Can you see it didn't take out this our major low right here? Should we trade something like this? No. The question here is buying from this zone A or buying from this zone B. In this first scenario A, market took out this whole sellers in the market. Then in this our zone, in this example B, market took out these partial sellers. Which one do you think will work? A right here or B? We'll continue this conversation at the comment section. Give me a thumbs up and also a subscribe if this video helped you improve even a little as a trader. And check out our ICT from beginner to advanced playlist right here. And if you're struggling with trading, I just started a 3-day trading course on what it really takes to be a successful trader. The link will be at this video's description.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but